Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I will show how to connect to the Exchange Online Admin Center using PowerShell. There are three prerequisites for this video. First, Windows PowerShell version 5.1, an Exchange Online admin account or global admin account, and also we need to make sure the execution policy is not set to undefined or restricted. In order to check the PowerShell version, we can use this command here. If you see in front of PS version, you have 5.1, that's the correct version, then make sure you have a global admin account or Exchange Online admin account. For this video, I'm going to use the global admin account that I have. To check the execution policy, we're going to use the get command, which is get-. So after running Get-ExecutionPolicy, what we're looking for is under the scope current user, you should have RemoteSigned in. If it shows undefined, you can use this command. You can use Set-ExecutionPolicy. You can type RemoteSigned. I also noticed some people use scope current user. I'm going to press enter. You need to click on yes to all, and if you want to verify it's enabled, you can use again Get-ExecutionPolicy/list, and you can see here current user has RemoteSigned. Now I'm going to install the module. You can use this command here. I included a RequiredVersion 3.2.0. You can use that version. I'm going to press enter. I've already installed a version on my computer, but you will see a pop-up. Make sure you click yes to all and it's going to install the module for you. In order to find out if the installation is over, always pay attention to this part of the PowerShell. If it says completed, means that it's done. So once it's over, I'm going to connect to the Exchange Online. There are two commands that you can use. You can use Connect-ExchangeOnline, or you can use Connect-ExchangeOnline. You can use UserPrincipalName. Here you can type the global admin account or Exchange Online admin account information. So I'm gonna use my account that I have. Press enter. You will see this pop up. Type the password here. Click sign in. So I'm connected to the Exchange Online, and if I want to test and make sure that I'm connected, I can use this command. And this command replaces get mailbox. This is the newer and faster way of finding information in the Exchange Online, and replaces get mailbox as I mentioned. So I'm going to type get exo mailbox. I'm going to format table. When I press enter, it is going to retrieve all the mailboxes that I have in my tenant. In my next video, I'm going to show how you can connect to the Teams Admin Center and also SharePoint Admin Center. So stay tuned. Let me know if you have any questions. Thank you for watching. See you all next time.